Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today is day 2 of Love Fest week here at Steff's Beauty Stash. All this week I'm going to be bringing you different videos, new content focused around Valentine's Day or anti-Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day or just love for makeup in general, guys. However you celebrate and whatever you celebrate, I hope I can give you guys some inspiration to just be in the mood for love all week long. Today is going to be indie makeup brand focused. All of the products I'm using down to the makeup brushes because I got some brand new makeup brushes that just arrived a few hours ago from BK Beauty. First time ever trying BK Beauty. This is a beauty brand owned by fellow beauty YouTuber Lisa J, and I will have her channel up here as well as linked in the description box down below so you guys can be sure to check her out. She is a Texas girl. She is from Austin, Texas, and I am all the way down here in South Texas, so it was time. It was time for me to place an order and try out her brand because I've definitely been watching her for a long time. She does amazing makeup. She has the most beautiful hair, and she just brings so much makeup experience to the table. She used to be a MAC makeup artist and trainer, so Lisa definitely knows what she's talking about. Definitely go check her out if you haven't. But today in Love Fest Day 2, we're going to do all indie makeup brands. I got a little bit of Kaleidos. I got a little bit of Beauty Bakery, of Kiko, Milano. You name it, we're going to do a full face get ready with me for Valentine's Day. If you want to see this indie makeup brand Valentine's Day look, keep on watching. All right, guys, I have a basket full of indie makeup right here. So the first thing we're going to do is prime the skin, and I'm going to go in with the Farsali liquid powder. Guys, I am in the process of trying something that I think could be a dupe for this primer. I have reviewed this on my channel. It was actually about a year ago. And I mean, it works pretty well. I do like it. I tend to like Farsali serums and primers and things like that. They tend to work well on my skin type. So when I saw that Makeup Revolution came out with something similar, I had to pick it up, and that video will probably be up next week on my channel. Now for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Foundation. Yes, Pat McGrath is an indie makeup brand, just a very large one, and I wouldn't be surprised if she gets bought out very soon. This is in the shade Light 5, and that is what Light 5 looks like. Very, very runny. This foundation gives the skin a beautiful finish. I think it's more of like a natural finish, but on my normal to oily skin type, it looks really, really pretty. I don't think I get a full like 10 or 12 hours wear of it, but I'll definitely get a good 6 to 8. Now for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Magic Star Concealer, and I have shade C5. This is a very good concealer, especially for brightening. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to go in with another Jeffree Star Cosmetics powder, and this is the Magic Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. This powder does an amazing job of blurring the under eye area and just about wherever you place it, but I especially notice it under my eyes, and I absolutely love it. Now for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Kiko Milano Lost in Amalfi bronzer, and this is in the shade 01 Warm Melange. Also from Kiko Milano, I'm going to use their new Ray of Love blush. This is the Radiant Blush in the shade 02 Silky Mauve, and this is a very new release. I recently reviewed this on my channel, and it is, of course, for Valentine's Day 2021. And I'm taking this on a Rephr 04. Now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with a Kaleidos Diamond Dasher highlighter. They make amazing, amazing highlighters, guys, and I think I have all of them. I'm just going to pat over that with my blush brush, not picking up any additional product, just want to blend things together. So pretty. I love highlighter, and I love a blinding highlighter. Now I'm going to set everything with a little bit of Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now I'm going to pop off camera to quickly do my brows, and then we'll get started with today's eye look. All right, so brows are on, and I went in with a little bit of the NYX Proof It eyeshadow. It's a waterproof eyeshadow primer. I didn't have an indie brand, so I quickly did this off of camera. Now for the palette we're going to use for today's indie Valentine's Day makeup look, I wanted to jump back into the Kaleidos Escape Pod palette. This is what this beauty looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I thought we could have a lot of fun with it. I want to incorporate, I think, maybe some greens, and of course that pink, and maybe the orange and purple. We'll see where the palette takes us, but I want to do something bright and fun. That's what I think of when I think of indie makeup brands. So the first shade I'm going to start off with is this shade right here, and this is the shade Soiree. And of course, I'll be using my new BK Beauty eyeshadow brushes. I'm so excited. This is going to be the first time that I use them, the first time that I try them. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the BK Beauty 202 brush, and I'm just going to blend Soiree all over the crease area. Just blend it upwards. This is going to act like as our transition shade. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, let's see, I love the purple on there. I think I'm going to continue on with the purple, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Mardi Gras. And I'm going to take Mardi Gras on a BK 203, and I'm going to start right here on the outer portion, but I'm also, let's see, actually I think I'm going to do a smoky eye. Not a smoky eye, a halo eye. So I'm just going to pack this on out here. And I'm going to take some on the inner portion. Just kind of bringing that out a little bit as well. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little bit of the concealer that I used. Now I can place like right here in the center. I don't have a BK Beauty brush to use for that, so I'm just going to use this one from e.l.f. Okay, so now for the center, I think I'm gonna go in, this one is so pretty, Space Oasis. I'm thinking Space Oasis right here, but then I also like this one, Starlight Sonata. And then I also kind of like the Galactic Green. You know what, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna go in with Cosmic Cabaret. When they're all so pretty, guys, it's really hard to pick a favorite. And I'm going to spray my brush. Ooh, yes. Good choice, good choice. Now I'm just going to go back in with Mardi Gras just to kind of clean up these little edges here to blend everything. Love, love, love that. All right. Now let's add a little bit of orange. Let's go in with Carnival right here. And I'm going to work that on the lower lash line. And I'm going to use the BK Beauty 204 brush. It's just like a small little shader brush. Now this is a fun Valentine's Day look. Not the typical Valentine's Day look, but I'm loving it. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Tango just to kind of really deepen up the outer corner. Same brush. Just bringing that in ever so slightly, but keeping it close to the lash line. Now I'm going to go in with Starlight Sonata, and that's going to be my inner corner highlight. And I don't think I have a BK Beauty brush for that, so I'm going to go in with a rougher 03. I'm also going to spray. I'm going to add a little bit of that up here to the brow bone. So much fun. I love this. I love this. This is my Valentine's Day kind of look. All right, guys, I'm going to pop off and do some liner and lashes. And then we'll do, I don't know if I'm going to apply the lip. We'll probably do the lip together, and then I'll show you guys the completed look. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. I added some Glam Light Choco lashes. Very big, very dramatic. I also went in, I went in with this Killer Queens Neon Loose Pigment Stack. I used the orange one, and what I did was I just got a little bit on the back of my hand. You can kind of still see it there, but then I sprayed my brush. I used a little angled brush. Here it is. Just a little angle brush like that, and that's what I did to do the lower waterline. No irritation, works out fine. I've used them that way before. I really do like the combination between the orange and the purple. Just something a little funky for Valentine's Day, indie makeup style, right? And then for the lips, I went in with the Juvia's Place lipstick. This one is in the shade In Vogue. Kind of has like a little yellowish tint to it. That's why I thought it would tie in nicely with the orange. And then for gloss, I also went in with another Juvia's Place. This is the Lip Balm, and this is in Nubian Glow. So this is the look. I'm really happy with the way it came out. One last thing to do, and that is to spray everything in place. I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakery setting spray. This is the Sweet Grace baking spray. How cute is that? Such a cute brand. They are available at Ulta. Let me just spray it. Has a nice sweet little scent to it as well. And there you have it. This full face of indie makeup brands Valentine's Day style. Let me know, guys, what you thought of the look. What was your favorite? What was your least favorite part? As always, I will have all of the products I used to create this look right here linked in the description box down below. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up purchasing, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. But seriously, guys, I want to hear from you on this indie makeup brand Valentine's Day inspired look. Something a little different than the traditional red and pink. We did purple and orange, and I am here for it. Guys, make sure to check back tomorrow for another installment of Love Stash 2021, where I will be creating another Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. As always, guys, thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.